This is a lifted Yukon. And after this video, you're gonna wanna I know I just said lifted, but just really quick to touch. This isn't just a lifted Yukon. This is also a color matched Yukon. At Krietz Customs, we can do much more than just lift vehicles. So with this vehicle, we went ahead and blacked out what originally was a chrome grille, as well as the emblems on it. And we went around to the side and did a roof wrap. We color matched the mirrors, the tail fin on top, and then on particular vehicles, we're going to the headlights and color match those as well. And so if we do wrap around here though, I do want to get you guys into the meat of the vehicle, meat and the bulk of the vehicle, these wheels and tires here. It's a 22x10 fuel catalyst wrapped in a 295/50 22 Toyota Open Country AT3. Now, how is this vehicle able to hold these massive wheels and tires? It is because we did 3-inch ready lift suspension. That ready lift suspension right there actually isn't your typical suspension system because it does adapt with the magnetic ride control that's already on the vehicle. So that comfy ride that you dream about at night, floating on clouds in the Yukon, you still get that even with this lift kit. Now, I will say there are kits that come up higher. So like 5-inch kits, different companies do make that. But when you get into that area, that range of height difference, that's where you'll feel a little sway when you're driving. The wind will hit you more. And it'll feel like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall off the side of the cliff. That's what that feels. I can't notice it, and I drive these every single day. Unless I am numb in my entire body. But no, there's no difference. Just to go around, as you can see, we didn't just stop at the front of the vehicle. We did do the emblem, and we went ahead and blacked out all the chrome on the mirrors, as well as any chrome that was previously on your given panels there. And coming around the side there, you can see we got the black Krietz Customs logos, also blacked out the GMC, and then another logo. One of the things we were funny enough just talking about, and I noticed was moms, dads, going out grocery shopping. There's no more having to lift into the vehicle at all when you get a 3-inch. Just want to kind of quickly touch. I'm 6'1". This thing is waist high to me. I'm just tossing them in there. Now we're gonna move on to the interior of the vehicle. If you wanna come along with me, close that. Now we're gonna look at the interior of this beautiful Yukon Denali. GMC, they do it every single time. You got the wood trim throughout the vehicle, going alongside this gray heated and cooled leather seats. And then you've got your moving center console. You've got 2 captain's chairs in the back here. You've got a 3rd row. You've got a moonroof. I'm just trying to list off anything because honestly, there's like 60 different points of the interior of a Yukon. Beautiful infotainment system, not the biggest. I believe it's around 10 inches or 12 inches. You have a heads-up display, and then you've got a heated steering wheel. I mean, they knock it out of the park every single time. As GMC, what can you expect? You can even control the 3rd row seats and 2nd row seats from your 1st row. You can control them and fold them down like so. Pretty crazy. But let's go back to the 2nd row now, just to kind of look over everything. So these 2nd row seats also, from the back, you can also fold these down too. And they don't only just fold down, and this does it electronically too, but I'm doing it manually now. They don't just fold down like this. They also come up. So you get an immense amount of storage. It's super easy to get back into your 3rd row. So these seats right here, I believe, yeah, they are heated. Not cooled. I think it's just a 2nd row. Beautiful captain seats for the 3rd row. So now onto the trunk space of this vehicle. Between here and here, it is a good amount of trunk space, right? Because you do have this height difference. So with the height that comes with the vehicle and the depth, it's nice, not a crazy amount, but we can change that very, very easily. You got controls that are electronic back here. I'm gonna go ahead and raise up this right one real fast because I realized something filming my last video with this truck that I need to put these captain seats down first. So we put these captain seats down, they fold electronically, and then put these 2 down right here. You now have an immense amount of space. Now, let's go look at the engine. All right, so as you can tell, if you come in a little bit closer to the engine bay here, this is a diesel. We've got a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel in this GMC Yukon. So it comes with 2 different options, the 6.2 or 3.0 diesel, If I were you, getting a lifted vehicle, if you can, in any circumstances. Now, because of Duramax, having the 3.0, you have in a lot of other circumstances, in the 1500 and stuff like that, I would get a diesel engine just due to the fact that your miles per gallon are going to stay much higher in comparison to your V8s or V6s. But that is the engine that we got in here. That's a wrap up of our sweet paint matched and lifted GMC Yukon Denali Krietz build. That's what we do here. That's what we're good at doing. If you want to see anything like this, go ahead and give us a call here at 301-694-4642 or visit our shop online at KrietzAuto.com to check out our inventory or any of the parts we can sell to you to make your vehicle look somewhat like this. I mean, only our techs can make it look like this, but you can try. Nah, give us a call or go to our website and we will go ahead and help you guys out.
Subscribe to Krietz Customs. If we get 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we will be giving away free wheels and tires just like this, a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. You want something like that? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button for us, and we will see you when we give you those wheels.